Hello lovely, welcome to another day of Vlogmas. Today I'm just going to be making a couple quick dishes. We're doing some more low energy cooking for the holidays. So I'm experimenting with some tarts and because this is low energy, I didn't want to make a dough. So went to Safeway, got their brand of tarts here. And you just want to thaw them out for like 10-15 minutes. Actually, let me preheat my oven to either 375 basically Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. And then I went to the dollar store and got these cookie cutouts. They're not exactly what I was looking for, but it was literally the only one there, and it was actually the last one there. And so these ones are actually originally for putting on like a cup, a teacup or something. So if you're going to have, you know, milk and cookies, tea and cookies, that kind of thing. We're going to try and make it work. So to do this, I'm only going to make maybe like 6 of these. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we'll see just how much dough we can get. For the filling, I am going to use some chai pear butter. I think it's going to be good for the season, you know? Okay, so we're going to do this very simply. I'm just going to stir this a little bit. Step 1, fill the shells. Actually gonna fill them up. This is really good, like butter jam. And then I want to place the star on top. That's the plan. I also have a little gingerbread guy and what I guess is supposed to be an angel. It doesn't look like an angel, so we're gonna just stick with the star and the gingerbread. Okay, let's get to it. Now with the extra shells that I have, I'm just going to try and make some tops for these. So, we did a star. Let's see if there's enough to do a little gingerbread guy. Can we get a gingerbread guy out of this? Let's see. Okay, that works. Looks like he's like taking a bath. That's what it looks like. As you can see, I've got 2 extra shells. So I'm just going to fill them up with the jam. They won't have a special top. So I'm just going to put them on a simple tray now and bake them up. Oops. Everybody squish in there. All right, so we are going to make another, it's supposed to be a low energy dish, just some simple tomato soup. For this dish, you are going to need some plum tomatoes. I'm going to use 2 cans. You also want sun-dried tomatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, about a teaspoon of, or a tablespoon, sorry, of sugar, and then sour cream. That's going to be about it. So, let's get to it. You also need a pot. You need something to put all this stuff in.